So the next speaker is Prakash Boy from Oklahoma State University, speaking on solubility of major producer gas tar compounds in water.
Hello everyone, this is Prakash Boy. I am working with my professors on the wet scrubbing of producer gas tar compounds. So wet scrubbing is one of the most commonly used techniques to remove the contaminants of the producer gas, and literature shows that the water is used as the most common solvent. However, the solubility of the tar compounds in either water or any other solvents is one of the major important parameter in designing the wet scrubbing systems. Therefore, we have initiated one of the study on to understand the solubility of major producer gas tar compounds in water. So the overall objectives of this study is to develop a model so that we can analyze the solubility of tar compounds in various solvents. I have used a NRTL model as an activity coefficient model to predict the binary parameters, and that binary parameters I have used to predict the activity coefficients that ultimately used to predict the solubility of tar compounds. And I have used Aspen model, mixture model, to predict those binary coefficients. Here is one of the examples of the tar compounds. This figure shows the solubility of benzene at various temperatures. Now from this figure, it's very clear that the theoretical values are a little higher than the experimental value. The reason behind that is the benzene is highly volatile in nature. So during the experiment, there is always possibility of leakage or evaporations. So that could be one of the reasons. And this graph also shows that as the temperature increases, the solubility of tar compounds increases. Based on these study results, I can conclude that the predicted results are in close agreement with the published results. And the model predicted that water is one of the weak solvent for all tar compounds, and the process temperature has a significant effect on the solubility. With this, I'd like to thank EPSCoR for providing support for this research, my professors for providing me guidance, and thank you all.